Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Saffron Cypher's channel! Alright, today we have another Chaos Theory video. We are going to the DARIUS Adventure Pack. Woo! Here it is. Alright. We're gonna unbox it and check it out. I'm gonna compare to the classic comparison here. They're variants. So what we have here is a juvenile Carnotaurus from Dominion. It is actually definitely a repaint already from this one right here, the newer one. So here's the scanning DNA, the DNA scan. This one came with I believe it came with 2 Atrociraptors before, like 2 years ago. It's the same size of this box. And then we have a Camp Cretaceous Stygimoloch here. You push it down. The neck, it just like shrugs its neck. There you go. It's just shrugging. Then we have the original from the Jurassic World, Dimorphodon. As you can see, the Dimorphodon now looks way bigger compared to the classic one. Alright, so let's unbox it. Let's put these guys aside. We got Saffron Cypher playing in the background. Alright, where do we open this thing? It's actually glued. They didn't tape it, so we have to destroy the box. Oh yeah, it is glued. Okay. Okay, take off the box. Wow, look at that. Nice background. The net, we're gonna check the back of the box. So it says the net launcher. Let's try if it launches. We got the Stygimoloch, it's a new color. Dimorphodon. Alright. There you go. Let's check them out. Let's bring out Darius first. He's got a new hairstyle now. Okay. So far he doesn't have his yellow jacket. Didn't give it here. Oh, has a rubber band in there. Okay. It's like... Okay. Let's try the rocket. I mean the net launcher. What, shoot. Oh wow, it does. It does. It's really small though. I don't think so. There you go. Like a mesh thing. Wait. There you go. It shoots. Okay. Now let's go to the... Let's check out the Stygimoloch first. I like the color of this one. Looks better now. Oh, alright. So... has no features. There's no... The tail doesn't move to shrug. Nothing, just like that. No sound. Nothing much. Let's check the DNA. There you go. Now let's compare to its Camp Cretaceous variant. Let's see the head, the spikes. Oh, okay. Definitely the tail's different now. There you go. The body's pretty much the same, the curve of the body, but the tail is different. Okay. Has a black pupil there. Alright. I think the skull of the green one is bigger. It has a bigger skull. Okay. So... Oh, I see. Alright, now on to the Carnotaurus. See our juvenile Carnotaurus here, a young Carnotaurus. There's the DNA scan. The color is definitely from the adult Carnotaurus, like the Hammond collection or the rest of the Carnotaurus. It has a broken horn. Let's see, it's definitely a repaint. You can see the broken horns as well. It is a repaint, definitely a repaint. Definitely same exact thing. Alright, another Carnotaurus for our collection. The smaller ones. No special features like the Dominion variant. No sound. Okay, now for the last guy, our Dimorphodon. Way bigger now. Oh yeah, this definitely bigger. The wingspan is much better. Oh, okay. Look at closest. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's impressive. Let's compare to the classic Dimorphodon. Wow, it's really, it dwarfs the small one, the original Dimorphodon now. Look at the head in this guy. The smaller one now. Oh, there's a DNA scan. I used to have the Amber Collection Dimorphodons that it comes with 2 big Dimorphodons. I wish I never sold them. I wish I kept them. But yeah, it's gone now. But maybe one day it'll come back to me again. It comes with a stand as well. Look at the tail in this guy. So this is way better. This is pretty much the biggest Dimorphodon now that I have. Look at that. Even the wingspan, it's totally different. Okay. Let's check the mouth. There you go. Yeah, even the body though. Looks way bigger. There you go. So yeah, that's it for our 3 dinosaurs for today. Alright, let's put this guys aside. I'm loving it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, maybe in the next few days I'm gonna go some Chaos Theory hunting, probably Target or Walmart, because I've seen some, they're being released already. We'll check, we're gonna grab some more Chaos Theory. But in the next video we will have a custom hybrid. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks again. Have a great evening. See you in the next video. Bye.